We are here to support the customer, to give them advice on what might work best. If you wanted to create a bit more floor space, to have a wall hanging vanity, but then I would also need to know whether the wall was strong enough to support the vanity. The installation team and the installer himself at the technical home survey can also support and advise in that way as well. From a technical side, what works best with the layout.
If you're sitting down with a customer or even in the home and they're unsure what they would like, then it's all about asking the right questions. Do they have a colour scheme? What's their personality like? It's just getting to know the customer to then help advise what they would like, because unfortunately some people won't know what they're like, and that's why we're there to help as much as we can.
Is it a bedroom? Is it a living room? Also if a kitchen, or is it open plan? All those aspects definitely affect what type of flooring you should choose. We can definitely do extra things for the customer in terms of maybe changing the skirting or the alcatraz around the door, if the customer needs that added to their tiling or flooring project, yes.
There is two fitting costs. One will be a fixed price, which will be the dry fit cost, and then you'll have the product cost. There's a secondary pricing which is called a specialist works guide, and that will be the fitting cost. Once you place an order for your project, you'll get a phone call from the installer who will arrange to come round for a technical home survey, where the installer will fully discuss your project, and then they would book in the installation date with you.
There are signs all over the stores, the different stores. There's things posted on our website for independent installers to apply. Sometimes they're recommended by designers as well. I've recommended a couple if I come across them. And they have to go through a process with the regional installation manager, and they're checked for their standard of work. The last few of their jobs are actually checked as well. And I would say only a percentage of the people that apply get through and become Wickes installers. So to me, they're like the cream of the crop.